Hi students, welcome to this video of entrepreneur. So this is module number 3 and 18 CS 51 management entrepreneurship for IT industry. So this today's topic, that is this video topic, is functions of entrepreneur. So in the previous videos we have learned that who is entrepreneur and who are the and what are the and characteristics of an entrepreneur. So this video we will see that what are the functions of an entrepreneur. So the functions of an entrepreneur. So generally, like, who is entrepreneur? The entrepreneur is a person who is ready to bear a risk in the future time, who is ready to face the uncertainty positions in the future time, and who starts their business. Okay, those people will call as the entrepreneur. So what are the functions for the an entrepreneur? So planning of the project. So any project, like any business, what he want to start, so a proper planning he will do for the project. So idea of launching the project and program structure of the business. So launching the project. So for example, if he wants to start a hotel business, so like where it will be good, which type of hotel it should be, and what and all we need to keep, what is the size of this hotel, which type of seating arrangements we need to do. So everything a person will plan for that particular project. The project is here the hotel business. Okay, so like that, who will plan accordingly for the project. Okay, that is the first function of the entrepreneur. Then management. So proper management skills should be there to run the enterprise. So responsible for the management of business. So the management will play major role because he has to take a proper decisions for the running of the business. See, it may be why we are calling as the good management is important, because a person may like take decisions related to the recruitment of the business. So HR managers who will do, and accounts manager who will maintain the accounts related or salary related information in their accounting books. So everything they have to maintain, so they should keep that responsible people in that particular positions, so responsible for the management of business. So management is the very important function. So the entrepreneur should have this function of good management person. Okay, next, to face risks. So whatever the risks will be there, so faces uncertainty and bears the risk. So definitely the future time, maybe every time he may not get the profit, sometimes he may get even risk also. So entrepreneur who has to ready to bear the risk in the future period. For any uncertainties, any risk, any losses, he has to accept in the future. Okay, so it is a very good function that he should be ready to face the risks. And distribution of rewards. So distribution of rewards is nothing but the people who are really doing good inside the organization. The entrepreneur should identify that particular people, and they should give the rewards to the people who are really doing good. So pays the reward in the shape of rent, wages, and interest, and bears any type of reward. It may be monetary reward, it may be non-monetary reward, anything, but they should provide to the people who are really doing good for the organization. Because when you are giving some rewards to the people who are really doing good, then you can motivate even others also. If others also will work like that, even they get some rewards, so even they work positively. Next, sale of products. So anybody can produce the product, a quality product, but the sales are very important, because based on the sales only, again the remaining process will be depend. So when you are selling the product, you will get amount for the remaining process of providing salaries, getting the raw material again, and do the working process. Everything will be depend on the selling of the product. So the sale of product will play major role in the functions of an entrepreneur, and it is a very important function. So the entrepreneur should have a skill on how to sell the product to the targeted customers. So entrepreneur is the responsible for marketing and advertisement and to sell the particular product. Next, scale of production. Scale of production is nothing but the number of units they are producing, okay, from the operating unit. So they should decide that what type of business it is and how many number of units we need to produce, and whether the customers are ready to buy that particular product based on the buy. based on the selling of that particular product from you, based on the buying power of the customer, then you have to produce that particular product, number of units, everything with quality. Next, joint stock organization. So it is nothing but, joint stock organization is nothing but, if an individual person is not ready to start a business, then he has to identify the similar interested people, and he can they can combinedly start the business, like partnership business. So in a partnership, the entrepreneurial function are divided between the parties, but in public limited company, the entrepreneurial decisions are left to the government or the body to which government has delegated its power. So public limited company is different, because that is completely related to the government sector, and government will take decisions that who will be the directors for the company, everything. When it comes to the private company or joint company, partnership company, then they have to decide that who will be the partners, who are the directors, and everything about the organization. So joint stock organization also will be important, that who are going to do the who will be the joining for the business, and who will be the partner for the business, and whether it is individual business or the partnership business. If it is partnership, like how the percentage will be there, everything they will write in the paper, it will be the agreement. But it will be only for the private. When it comes to public, the government will take decision about the giving or finding the people for the enterprise. Some myths are there for entrepreneurship. Myth is nothing but the barriers. The people will think that these are the barriers. So because of this, I cannot become the entrepreneur. So like that, some barriers will be there, some myths will be there. So what we will see one by one. So people will see that entrepreneurs are not born not made. It means that with the born itself, they should become entrepreneur. It means that the family business should be there. Other people cannot start new business like that. Many people think, but that is wrong, because many people, they started their business. They have come from agriculture background, but they started different business and they become success. So anybody can start business, but the thing is, they should have proper idea, plan, and interest. Entrepreneurs are academic and social misfits. So people will think that only the people who have studied related to the business or related to any economics or something, they can start their business and they can success the business like that. No, that is not correct, because anybody, the people who did not study also, they started their business and they become success. Many people, they did not study, they did not even study 10th class, but they started their business and they become success. And entrepreneurs fit an ideal profile. So people think that an ideal profile should be there to become entrepreneur or something. No, it is not correct, because there is no need of profile, personality, or caste, religion, nothing. Anybody can start their business and they can get success. All you need is money to be an entrepreneur. People think that the people who are having money can become businessman. That is also not correct, because there are so many institutions are there, financial institutions, banks are there, and angel investors are there. So they are ready to produce amount for your business idea, and they are ready to help you for your business. And some people, they may think that all you need is luck to be an entrepreneur. People always think that the people who are having luck, they only will become entrepreneur. No, that is not correct. Not because of luck, that is because of your willpower, and because of your interest in that particular area, risk bearing in your what we'll call characteristic. So these things are there, then you can start your own business. A great idea is only ingredient in a recipe for business. The people may think that idea anybody can get, but who will start business like that? No, getting very good idea is a really a good thing. Because of that good idea only, people, they started their own business. They started Amazon online business. They started that only one idea. Instead of going and buying the things from the shop, they will take more time to buy the particular things in the shop. So why can't they buy through online? They started that particular thing. So the thing is, great idea they have implemented in the reality, and they become very success. So the best friend will be a great business partner. Like that, they may think. That is also not correct, because best friend may have different ideas. He may not interested in this. For example, if you want to start a business, hotel business, your friend is now nowhere related to hotel business and he is not interested, but he is very best friend to you. If you are asking him to become the partner. He may be a partner for you, but he cannot help you in your hotel business because he is not having much idea and he is not interested to become, he is not interested in the hotel business. Okay, so that is also not correct. Having no boss is great fun. People may think that for every business, boss should be there. Whatever they say, we have to listen like that. That is not correct, because when you are starting your business, you will be boss. Whatever you are saying, your subordinates will listen to you. Next, I can make lots of money. People may think that with the business, like we will get more money like that. No, that is not correct, because risk will be there. Sometimes even they may not get money, even sometimes they will get loss also. So you should ready to take that particular risk. I will definitely become successful. People may think that I will definitely make success. That is okay. Like you can think that yes, I will become success, but you just think about even negativity also, that where the chances are there are for to become even failure. You have to identify those things and you have to find out the problems and you have to give solution for that particular thing. Life will be much simpler if I work for myself. People may think that if I work for myself, then what is the life? Like that they may think. No, that is not correct. You have to work for yourself and you should give something to the society also. So these are the myths of an entrepreneurship. Thank you.